Question 26. Look at the last sentence. Don't get distracted by the context. Last sentence asks about what is the difference between tomography and electron microscope. First of all, you have to remember what are the difference between them. We have a free body here. For conventional electron microscope, electron passes through it, and a two-dimensional image is formed. For the tomography, sensor moves around the object, getting layer and then moving down, getting layers and layers of image, and these layers of image joined together becomes a 3D image. So look at the option. Which one is correct? Yes, option C. Three-dimensional image can be produced by tomography instead by conventional electron microscope. Thank you.